welcome back everyone. This is Victor from Caribbean Amigos on Twos. Today I have a short video for you guys. I got some Amazon special latches for my saddlebag that I will be swapping them out and showing you what they look like. I want to swap them out because that goes with the theme of my bike. So it's just going to be a quick install video. Hope you guys like it. So here are the new latches. They work perfectly fine, and it goes with the theme on my bike. Most of my accessories are die cut. So I decided to change them just because of the looks. I'm going to show you the difference between the other ones that I had replaced already and these, so you can see the difference in the color. I know I've been absent for a minute, I got to work, unfortunately. So I could keep posting these videos for you guys and buying parts for my bike. But this is one of many modifications I'll be doing on my bike here throughout the winter, and hopefully getting ready for the next ride season, since here in Maryland it already started getting cold. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.